Academic, Maths, Nursery 4 Plus, page 15. Dear children, today we will have an activity day. It will cover the numerals 3 and 4 that we learned a couple of days ago. Applying and writing. Count the given objects and write their number. You see different objects with different numbers here. Count them and write the number 3 or 4 in given boxes. Color the cards with numbers 3 and 4. You may use different colors for the cards showing the numbers 3 and 4 accordingly. For example, you may color all number 3 cards in yellow and the ones showing number 4 in blue. Color the rainbow with different colors. Ask your teachers or parents to help you with this activity. Fill in color within the designated rows for a pretty good presentation. Trace and write these numbers. Ask your teachers or parents to help you in completing this task. Well done! You have been outstanding with these activities. Dear teachers, help the children with all activities. Help them pronounce and write the numbers properly. Encourage the promising children and clap for them. Use other interactive techniques to teach numbers to the children. Have a nice day.